Greetings and salutations. Welcome back to my channel. I'm your boy, Mr. Smellgood, aka Jason, coming to you from the beautiful island of Jamaica. To all my returning residents, thank you so much for staying loyal. And to those of you who are first tuning in, I hope you enjoy your stay and smash that subscribe button. Today's video is going to be an unboxing and first impression of a fragrance that has been buzzing. I should say this is one of the most talked about fragrance in the fragrance community, not to mention on TikTok. So I decided to give it a try. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing and first impression video on a fragrance from the house of Maison Crivelli. I've tried 4 fragrances from them, but I heard this is their #1 seller, so I'm going to give this one a shot. So if you are interested in unboxing and first impression video, not to mention inspiration, which are clones, comparisons, all of those stuff, keep on watching. Just a little disclaimer, guys. I'm exhausted, but I just got the package and I said to myself, should I wait? But then again, I think I'm a little impatient, so I'm going to dive straight into it. I've been hearing so much about this fragrance. A lot of persons tagging me in comments saying that I should try the fragrance and tell them what I think. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. I heard persons compare it to one of my favorite fragrances from the house of Louis Vuitton, which is Ombre Nomad. So I'm going to tell you what I think. If it does smell like Ombre Nomad, I am going to be doing a comparison of both fragrances. So I got a 5 ml decant of the fragrance, which is Oud Maracuja. I've heard pronunciations such as Oud Maracuja. I don't speak French. I don't speak any other language except English, standard English. So I am going to pronounce it as I see it fit. Oud Maracuja. And this is from Maison Crivelli. This is their official 5 ml sample. So I am very eager to try this one. I heard that it's a beast. So let's see how beastly it is. But this, I love this presentation. I think this might, I'm not sure if I'm going to need a bigger bottle of this or anything. And it is a extrait de parfum. Wow. Pretty interesting. 5 ml, 0.17 fluid ounces. Damn! Yo, this has never been sprayed, but I can smell it already from the cap, from the sprayer. I like to go directly on skin, but I'm hoping that it's not too strong, where it prevents me from sleeping peacefully tonight. So I'm going to give it a shot on my skin. 1 simple spritz, and then I'm going to tell you what I think about it. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bear with me, guys. And back are here. I'm going to do here. Ooh. I don't need more than that, right? I hope I don't. Drum roll, please. Yo! Woo! Yo, I am getting the passion fruit that everyone is talking about. I'm not seeing the similarity between this one and Ombre Leather, but I am getting the passion fruit. I'm getting a dried, fruity, sweet combination. I'm not getting the Ombre Nomad. I am getting the oud, however, I'm getting like it's not a dirty oud texture, but the peach stands dominant in this. No, the passion fruit stands dominant in this one. Yo, this is bright, fruity, sweet. It's not dirty or strong, pungent, oudy type scent. I'm not sure if it's leather I'm getting in this one. I'm getting something similar for suede type texture or anything like that. So I'm not so sure if it's the combination of the leather or something. Yo, I need to look at the notes, which I'm going to do for the next review. But I am not getting the similarity, the reference of Umber Nomad. I am not, and I own the Umber Nomad. I've owned that since 2019. It's actually one of my favorite Louis Vuitton fragrances. I keep smelling it, guys, because I'm trying to see if I can get the similarity between it and Umber Nomad, but I'm not getting it. I'm not sure if in the dry down I will get it. But what I can say from my first impression is, yo, this stuff is freaking bananas. Yo, this is freaking good, yo. Whoa. Shit. Yo, this smells beautiful. This is freaking beautiful. If I'm gonna rate this one, I'm gonna give this one a 5 out of 5 or a 10 out of 10. Solid. Maison Crivelli. I realize that is majority of their fragrances, it shines in the dry down, not in the opening. So I'm hoping that this one might leans a little closer to the Umber Nomad. But for now, it is beautiful. It is perfect. I don't care if it doesn't transition. This is something I would wear, and I'm going to recommend it to you guys as well. So there you have it in terms of my first impression on Maison Crivelli Oud Maracuja or Maracuja. Perfect, beautiful. If you like oud-based fragrance, fruity-based fragrance, this is one you should try. If you have tried it, leave your comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, give me other recommendations that I should try from the house. Peeps, as always, like, subscribe, leave a comment, and share the video. Thank you so much. I am out.